Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something that was quick and simple but still glam and looked like you put in a lot of time and effort into the look. I actually did this look a few weeks ago and I loved it so much and it was so simple to do. So I really wanted to recreate it for you guys and show you how I created this cool toned, almost gray, smoky eye. And let me know if you guys like the more simple yet glam looks, because I realized that I have been doing a lot of more simple, quick looks. Those are just the kind of looks that I love. I obviously love really intricate looks as well, but sometimes quick and easy is fun and it's simple and it's quick. So if you guys like them, let me know down in the comments. If you guys want me to do more like intricate and different style looks, like cut creases and I don't know, something more intricate, then let me know down in the comments and I will definitely obviously include those looks as well. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Love in London eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Scone. Starting off with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. This is going to be our transition shade and help make everything else blendable. I'm now going into Crumpet. And now I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. The shade is really cool. It's like a cool tone brown, almost gray. I don't know, I feel like it's very different and I really, really liked it. And now I'm deepening up my crease. I picked up a little bit more of that shadow and just running that back and forth through my crease. And then I do little circular motions. I kind of place the brush right where this harsh line is and I do little circular motions to start helping blending, that did not make sense, to start helping out the blending process. And then with that same shade, I'm picking that up on my E54 medium sweeper brush. This part doesn't really have to be that neat. I just kind of want to create a base on my lid of this shadow just to make sure that everything is really blended and kind of seamless throughout the look. And then I'm just going to go back into Scone and my E38 at the very high point of this crease to make sure that everything is really, really blended out. And then I'm going to finish off my lash line before I finish off my lid. So going in with Crumpet and the E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma, I'm just running that and smoking that along my lash line. For my lid, I'm picking up Prestige. And now this shade I'm picking up on my finger and I'm going to start swiping that along my lid. It's such a beautiful foiled metallic-y shadow. And then just to blend the edges, I'm going to go in with the E25 to make sure that it's all very seamless through the crease. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Cheeky. And then using my Sigma F70 concealer brush, look at that shade. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and then I'm going to just blend this up right here. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm first going to line my upper waterline, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Mosquito Lashes in Gin and Tonic, and that's the eye look done. Moving on to my lips, I'm really excited to try this out. So this is the BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick. This is their new formula of lipstick. I'm so excited to try this out because I've been loving a more comfortable, not as drying lipstick formula, so not like a liquid lipstick. I've been loving lipsticks lately and these kinds of cream lipsticks. I know I never thought I would be that person because I used to love and swear by liquid lipsticks, but I'm loving a more comfortable lip, so I'm really excited to try this out and the shade is so pretty. So this is in the shade Tea and it looks like it's a kind of mauve-y, coolish nude. So I'm going to apply that. And that's it. This is the completed look of my cool tone / gray smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look so much. I love quick and simple looks like this, but it looks like I tried really hard and spent hours on my makeup, but we all know I didn't. And this lipstick, guys, I am obsessed with the formula. It feels so comfortable on the lips. This is my first time trying it out here for you guys, so I'm not sure how it wears, but I will definitely keep you guys updated, but I love the shade and the formula so far. Also, I wanted to give you guys a little update on something. I don't know if you guys care or not, but I find it very exciting and I can't stop talking about it, so I'm going to tell you guys. I got my second and third hole pierced on my right ear. So my left ear always had a second piercing, but this side is always covered because that's where I have my part. But this side, I always put my hair behind my ear, and I haven't had anything besides my first hole pierced. I did actually have my second hole pierced, but then it got infected and I had to take it out and close it up, and then years and years and years later, I decided to get them pierced. So I just got them pierced like a few weeks ago, so they're still obviously healing, but I am going to change the piercings. I'm so excited. I want to do like a little hoop and then a stud, and I'm so excited. I don't know why. Obviously, it's not like a huge change, but for me, I feel like I'm a brand new person. So also, I get a lot of questions about jewelry, so I do want to mention it here. I don't know if you guys know, but some of you may know that my family actually owns a jewelry store. We are located in New York City. So this necklace, I get so many DMs and questions about this necklace. This necklace is from us, and our Instagram handle is LB_diamond. So I will link everything down in the description box. And also my hoops are from our jewelry store, and my ring. This ring is so cool. It's a tricolor ring with diamonds, and it looks like there is a safety pin down the middle. So how cool is that ring? I'm obsessed, and I love rose gold, so I'm so excited that that rose gold is right in the center of that ring. And if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!